Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner. It's me and Matthew today. Where are we? We've got 19 cleans. We've got one in Wisbeach, which we didn't do yesterday, so we're going to catch that one up. Then I'm heading up to Tydd Gote, then Tydd St Giles. They're close to each other. Then I'm back down to where I live tomorrow, and that'll be us finished for the day. So hopefully we'll get it done. Sun's out, the buffalo's on because it's a bit chilly still in the wind, or first thing in the morning, but I'm sure this will come off. The new gloves arrived. They're Shora Temres 282 gloves. A lot of people tend to use these for window cleaning. They're nicely lined inside to keep your hands warm and waterproof on the outside. Seems weird getting them in the summer, but my old ones, they've got a little hole and these smell nice and fresh, obviously being new, but my old ones smell worse than socks after a year. So I had to get a new pair. So that's us done. Follow along, see how we do. Right, that's the extensions off my pole that make it a 35-foot pole down to an 18-foot for the rest of the windows after doing those Felix windows and hard to reach windows. One of them, I've got a fence right behind me, trellis work and lots of prickly rose bushes, so it's a bit awkward. Right, that's me 18-foot pole now going away. And then I'm going to get my 4-foot pole because I'm doing all the lower stuff now around the back. So en route to the next job, it's going to be a regular window clean, but we're also doing the conservatory roof on this one. And just wanted to say about my poles really. As you saw in one of the cleans we did, I used my 18-foot pole, added extensions to make it 35, so I can reach Hulley's awkward windows and Velux windows. And then what I did is I stripped it down back to an 18-foot pole to use as me everyday pole basically, and then to get to the lower level ones I then switched to my 4-foot pole. I know it's a bit of walking backwards and forwards to the van, but because some of the tight spots I'm in, it just made sense. So it's great to have that ability to be able to do that anyway, and it's easy to do, to swap extensions on and off your poles with the tubeless system. Anyway, about to get here to the next one, so crack on with this one. Another day where it's kind of lost time somewhere. It's 10 to 6, we're back home, all 19 cleans done, and we got a conservatory roof for one of the cleans as well. I just don't know what went a bit wrong. It was probably didn't get to Murray till around, I think it was about 3 o'clock. We had 7 cleans to do, but we got through them. But I suppose just like that now, the sun's getting warmer, starting to feel the effects of the heat, I suppose. But it's been a bit chilly with the wind, so I just quite don't know where it's gone. Perhaps we're just a bit knackered. But you just got to keep going, haven't you? That's it, whether it's survival month or you're doing well, making some money in. This week as well, we've also had 6 inquiries come through like my websites or text messages, Facebook, that sort of thing. So it seems to be a bit of a spring there. So I suppose when the weather's a lot better, you get the people looking for window cleaners, or perhaps a window cleaner's packed in or stopped coming round, I don't know. Or word of mouth, isn't it? So we just see how the rest of the summer goes with inquiries, because I haven't got much room for more else, to be honest. I'm bursting at the seams, but that's a good place to be in. But I suppose summertime's a good time for growth, isn't it? Anyway, that's it done. I'm working tomorrow on Saturday. I've got a big job where I'm cleaning the outside and the inside, so that's going to take quite a while. And then doing a catch-up clean from someone that asked for another day, and that'll be Saturday done. Anyway, like, subscribe, thanks for watching, appreciate it all. Leave stuff in the comments, I'll always try and answer them back. And YouTube will leave a video up here for you to watch next. Stay safe.